Hi everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make this amazing cat maze game. So let's start by changing sprite 1. Let's delete the costume 2. Delete the below body part. And let's delete the whiskers too. But the cat is still too big for a maze, so let's decrease its size. And that's good for a cat maze. Yeah. Now we finished with our cat. Let's begin with our maze. Now we have a maze. To draw a maze, you can just trace it looking at any maze picture, or even use the upload costume and upload a maze picture and trace it. Now let's start the code for the cat, sprite 1. Now we need the cat to move front, back, up and down. So to move front, we will take the motion move 10 steps but only one step, and then from the events when flag clicked. And we'll keep this in a forever, and we'll keep an if then inside, and then we go to the sensings and take the key space pressed, keep it if then, but instead of saying key space we will say right arrow. So now let me explain you the code. When the flag is clicked, this will continue forever. So if key pressed right arrow, then move one step. So now let's see how it goes. Flag, right arrow, and it's moving the cat. Now we have done for moving it front. Now we have to code for moving it back. We will use the exact same code, and then instead of right arrow we will use the left arrow, and then instead of one step it is minus one step, so that whenever you always click the left arrow you will move back. Now to move down and up we have to use the Y and X. Sorry, only the Y. Now we can use the change Y by 1 only, and we'll just duplicate this code, remove the move one step and keep change Y by 1 and keep the up arrow. Now let me explain you this code. When flag clicked forever, if the key up arrow pressed, then change Y by 1, which means it will move up. Now it will keep moving up and up. So that means change Y by 1. Now let's just check it. Now it's moving up. Now we use the exact same code, and instead of up arrow, down arrow, and then change Y by minus 1 so that it can go below. Now let's click the down arrow, and it works. So now we have the motions of our sprite 1 finished. Now that we have the motions of our cat, we can just demonstrate how it will work. Well, the cat breaks through the lines, so to make sure that it won't break the lines, we have to write a code. Now basically, to avoid it from passing through the wall, we can't get it back just like one step before or one step after. So when we have to write a code so that when the cat sprite hits a wall, it should go back to the start. Now its starting position is x minus 204 and y 75. So we'll keep it in this area so that first we'll start with go to x minus 204 and y 75. We go to the events, take the when flag clicked, forever, and then if. Then we say if touching screenshot. For me it's screenshot, but for you it would be sprite 2 or something. So if touching sprite 2, go to x minus 205 y 75. But then to make it like a little more effective, we can like add a sound and then move it back to its original position. So let's search for a sound. Now bonk, that's a fine sound. Now we'll go back to the sounds and we'll keep play sound bonk, and then we go to the controls and play sound bonk, wait 0.1 seconds and go to x minus 204 and y 75. Now let's just experiment it. Okay. Okay, now it works. Now that we have a code that when the cat sprite touches a wall, it goes back to its original position, we will make a code now when the cat reaches the end, the cat will disappear and then it will show an emoji face saying you won. Now let's start by creating a new sprite. So this sprite, I will make it finish. I will keep the text as finish. Yeah, that looks good. And then let me change the type. Into marker, it looks better. And let me make it a bit more bigger. Okay, that's way too big. Yeah, this should be good. Let's keep it over here so that when the cat comes over here and when it touches the finish, it will show a new backdrop or something. So let's go to the code of sprite 1. And then take forever, if, and go to the events, when flag clicked. Now go to the sensings. If touching sprite 2, we will say hide. Let's go to the links, right? And then let's go to the backdrops. And let's create a new backdrop. And we'll say U1, or we'll say yippee, or we'll keep U1. It sounds way better and looks better. And to make it look a little more grand, we will change the fill to a gold type. And then we'll increase the size. Let's keep it at the center. And let's add a background of green color. And go back. So now in the code we will keep if touching sprite 2, then hide, and then wait for 0.1 seconds, and then change to background 2. Now we'll keep this as backdrop 1, and we'll change this as yay, or a random name, so that we can tell. So switch backdrop to yay, and then so that the cat disappears, and then we will again make sure that it should be seen again, so that the cat won't disappear for the next time when you are playing the game. So we'll just keep when flag clicked looks, and click on show, and then go to the backdrops, and then keep when flag clicked switch to backdrop 1, so that when you play the game it won't still show you have won. So let's see, and then I'll just get the cat over here, and then it has kept you have won. Now it's a bit boring without any sound, so we will keep also sound. And and that's good. Let's go back to our code and go to the sounds. Play sound tada until done, and then hide. Then wait 0.1 seconds and switch backdrop to yay. But then that doesn't look in a correct order, so we will keep hide. Wait 0.1 seconds. Play sound tada until done and switch backdrop to yay. Now let's check. Over here, play, and then that's good. But then the cat is not going back to its place after it touches finish, and then when you click when flag clicked, it doesn't work. So let's just see what's going on over there. Okay, so here's the problem. Now we didn't add a go to x minus 204 y75. So let's just keep that. And y75. And now we will add motions. Go to minus 204x and y75. So now, oops, when the cat is near the finish and it touches, and then switch backdrop to yay, and then stop, and when flag start, it's in its original place. Well, everything is lagging, and then so we will add wait 0.1 seconds so that it will give a bit more clarity when should what happen. And then we won't keep play sound tada until done because it is keeping the backdrop yay very late. So go to the sounds and just we'll keep start sound tada. We'll just check. And then that's good. And at the end of this, we will keep a stop all so that automatically it stops everything. And for the last part, let's just add a bit in the backdrop as a start over here to show that there is a start and finish. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell for some more amazing videos like this. Thank you.